Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to connect your Hostinger domain to Google Workspace. This is a quick and simple process, and I'll guide you through everything you need to do. Let's get started. First, log into your Google Workspace admin console. From the dashboard, go to Account, then click on Domains and select Manage Domains. Here, click Add Domain. Enter the domain you want to connect. If you're adding it as an additional domain, choose Secondary Domain, then click Add Domain. Next, start the verification process. Google may automatically add www to the domain. If that happens, remove it and make sure you're entering just the root domain. Now, select the TXT verification method and click Continue. Google Workspace will generate a TXT verification code. Copy this code because you'll need it in the next step. Open a new tab and log in to your Hostinger account. Go to your dashboard and locate the domain you want to connect. Click Manage next to that domain. Inside the domain settings, go to DNS/nameservers, then scroll down and click Manage DNS records. Now it's time to add the TXT record. Set the record type to TXT. In the name or host field, enter @ or leave it blank if instructed. In the TXT value field, paste the verification code you copied from Google Workspace. For TTL, enter 86400 or use the value recommended by Google. Once everything is entered correctly, click Add Record. After the TXT record is successfully added, go back to Google Workspace and click Verify My Domain. It may take a few minutes for the DNS changes to propagate, so don't worry if it doesn't verify instantly. Once verified, your domain will appear under your domains list and you can proceed to activate Gmail and other services if needed. And that's it. You've successfully connected and verified your Hostinger domain with Google Workspace. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching.